Did you know you can tell Facebook which pages you want to see first, see prominently in your newsfeed? I'll show you how in this video. Here we go. So here's an example of a page I want to see more of. So I'll say Grantham Journal, click on it. And here under following, you'll see it's default at the moment, which means Facebook determines how often it shows it. But you simply change that to see first. There's nothing else to do there. You don't have to save changes. Just go away from the page and then we'll see it in the newsfeed. So here I am back in my newsfeed. I scroll through and yeah, there it is. Fairly prominently the latest post. So if you want to see that in the 2020 version of Facebook, I'll just change it to the new Facebook view. So I've searched for the page I've just previously said see first on. We'll go through to that. You can click here and click on follow settings, and then you've got the option to say do you want to get see first, default or off. So you select see first and then update. And so essentially the same as the other option, but just a little bit different in terms of look and feel. So that's how you see certain content with priority on newsfeed. So you can pick and choose all the pages you've liked. If I go to pages, you can always say liked pages here, and you can make sure you've gone through all the various pages that you've liked and then put the settings when you go through to them for see first, etc. So hopefully over time you'll get a good newsfeed that really works for you. That's it from me. I'm Paul from PR Wilson Media, your social media personal trainer. Cheers.